Now, the National Super Alliance now claims the IEBC relied on a predetermined mathematical formula to increase votes in favor of President Uhuru Kenyatta, who was declared the winner in the August 8th election. During a 5-hour submission before the Supreme Court, NASA outlined what it termed as fundamental breaches, including violation of the Constitution, ballot paper security features, and declaration of fake election results. Rita Tinina begins our broadcast tonight.
With 5 hours to convince the 7-judge bench to nullify President Uhuru Kenyatta's re-election, the NASA legal team dropped the first bombshell.
An error adjustment formula,
which NASA claims gave Uhuru Kenyatta a predetermined constant lead ahead of Raila Odinga.
Analyzing the results from when it starts to the end, it gives a very clear, straight line, which is a statistical impossibility.
NASA claims the formula was backed by alteration of the presidential votes tally from the Forms 34A filled at multiple polling stations, irregularities which the Raila team claims were transferred to the corresponding Forms 34B filed at the constituency tallying centers.
Using that formula, all you need to know is how many votes Prime Minister Raila has at any one time. And the votes of President Uhuru will come out automatically.
The lawyers argue some of the Forms 34B lacked crucial security features, including watermarks, anti-copying features, and UV-sensitive features.
You'll find that nearly all of them are not standardized. They differ from constituency to constituency. And there are others like Madeira constituency, where the heading of the form is written by hand, Madeira.
From the declaration of presidential results without receipt of all Forms 34A, lack of records of rejected votes in some constituencies, higher number of rejected votes in the IEBC portal compared to Forms 34B to non-gazetted returning officers, NASA lawyers submitted what they termed as fundamental breaches that are enough to invalidate Uhuru Kenyatta's re-election.
That the IEBC has subsequently sought to tamper with prescribed documents after declaration of results. And we think, my lords, that that is a serious matter.
The participation of cabinet secretaries in President Uhuru Kenyatta's campaign rallies also came into sharp focus. NASA accused the head of state of using state resources and public officers for campaigns contrary to electoral laws. NASA made its submissions after being granted access to the IEBC ICT system, and the IEBC backup system also came under focus. The submissions saw the NASA legal team play before the court a video of the late IEBC ICT manager Chris Msando outlining the IEBC security features.
The IEBC set a system where it would have been impossible for third parties to have access or super access into that system.
The petitioners, Raila Odinga and Kalonzo Musyoka, accompanied by other NASA leaders, were present in court during part of the submissions.
Court of Appeal judges.
Rita Tinina, KTN News.
Thank you, Rita. Alongside Rita, Sophia Onuna.